Today we will be reviewing the Mandalorian and the Child Brickhead set. This set is set number 75317 with 295 pieces. Yeah, so this is the box. Very interesting box. Has a cool little picture right there of him. Okay, now let's get into the builds that are in the set for this. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more content. I'm going to be uploading more lately because I'm starting to know what I want to upload on this channel. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. And let's get on with the video. First up, we got the Mandalorian Brickhead, standard Brickhead. It's his non-Beskar armor. This little stand that you can take them off and on. He uses this for his little pistol. And then for the back on him, he has his big rifle sniper that he has in the movie. You can detach it and detach it, all the thing. There's a nice build for a cape on the back, which looks really nice. I think they captured the helmet really well, like the whole character in general. Very good in this set. I'm very happy with this. It looks awesome. Now let's move on to probably the best part of the set, the child. Now for the best part of the set, here's the child. The child sits inside of his little cradle that he gets in season 1. It's a very good build for it too. I like it a lot. It has little clear pieces on the very bottom to show that it's floating, which looks really good. You can detach it too if you want to. And you can even take him out of the cradle. And he is a very good standalone build too. Here's the inside of the cradle. And then you can also swap his ears down to show that he's a little bit sad and not having the best day. Yeah, pretty standard, but very good. Captures what it's supposed to for Baby Yoda, or Grogu, as people might say. Looks really good. Now let's see how they look like together right next to each other.
This is the Mandalorian and the Baby Yoda, the child, Grogu, whatever you want to call him, right next to the Mandalorian. Looks very good. This set usually goes for around $20 for retail price, and I would say it's a very good value, and I would
highly recommend it if you're into Lego and just want like a cool little display piece
of the Mandalorian and the child. I would say that any Mandalorian and Star Wars fan should get this set. It's the cheapest way to get Baby Yoda and the Mandalorian
at this moment in time of 2021. But you can get the new Tatooine set that just came out a few weeks ago.
But yeah, that's gonna do it all for this short little review of the Child and the Mandalorian set. Here is the box, the back of it. And yeah, that's gonna do it. And I will see you next time.